Swisstronik has launched their Testnet 2.0 and today I'll be showing you how to join the testnet. I'll also be showing you how to complete some of the contract deployment tasks, but to avoid making this video too long, that will be in another video. You find it in the description or at the top of your screen. You may already be familiar with the Swisstronik Testnet if you're using Pixel Wallet and Telegram, because you can mine SWTR tokens on the Swisstronik Testnet on the Pixel Wallet. So before I start, I'll just give you a rundown of what the testnet is. As a reward for participating in Testnet 2.0, you'll earn rewards from a pool of SWTR tokens, and you can increase the amount of your rewards by unlocking some exclusive achievement tasks or by verifying that you hold an NFT from their previous collections. If you own an NFT from their Web3 Expedition or Choco NFTs, you can earn bonuses. And you can also earn bonuses in SWTR or USDT for discovering bugs or feedback that the Swisstronik team considered outstanding. To join the Swisstronik testnet, you will need test tokens. So head over to the faucet. You'll find the link in the description. But before you do that, I recommend you set up your Swisstronik wallet. So you visit the link in the description. It will take you to this section of the faucet where you'll see the apps. If you're using an iPhone, you can install the Swisstronik wallet. If you're at the App Store, if you're on Android, you can set up your wallet on Google Play, and you can install the Chrome extension by clicking on the web app link here. So if I click on it, it takes me to the Chrome extension page, and you can follow the prompts as usual to install the Swisstronik extension. Whatever the case, you will need to install the Swisstronik wallet on your PC and on your mobile device, because these are actions that will earn you points in the Swisstronik dashboard, which I'll talk about in a moment. So once you've set up your Swisstronik wallet, you can now claim from the faucet. So if you set up your Swisstronik wallet, you can find it on PC by clicking on your extensions icon here and scrolling till you find Swisstronik. So this is the Swisstronik icon. You can pin it so it will be visible at the top of your browser. So now I've pinned it and you can see the Swisstronik logo here, so I don't have to come to the extensions drop down to find it. I can easily click on it to open the wallet. So now open your Swisstronik wallet. You will need to copy your Swisstronik testnet address. So click on the deposit icon and click on the copy icon to copy your address. You can also get your address by clicking on the hamburger icon at the top right and clicking the copy icon to copy your Swisstronik testnet address. Make sure you're on the Swisstronik testnet tab and not on the EVM tab. So now that you've copied your Swisstronik testnet address, go back to the faucet page. You will have to enter your Swisstronik address here as a step 1. So click on this text box and paste the address you just copied and click continue. Verify the captcha. By default, you will get 1 Swisstronik token, but if you want to get 5, you can generate the tweet and paste the link to the tweet here to get 5 tokens. So I'll do that. Click on generate the tweet for me and I'll share. So click on post to post the tweet, and click on view to view the tweet. Then click on this icon here and click on copy link. I go back, paste the URL here and click claim my 5 Swisstronik tokens. So now my transaction is in process. Now the next thing to do is to copy your transaction hash. So click on this and it will take you to the page where you can copy your transaction hash. There is a daily task on the dashboard which involves claiming faucet tokens daily, and to prove that you've claimed the faucet tokens, you need to provide the transaction hash. So once you open this page, you will see the transaction hash here. Double click on it and use your Ctrl+C or right click and click on copy to copy the transaction hash. Now keep it safe because we'll use it to complete the task once we log into the dashboard. Now that you've claimed your test tokens from the faucet, the next thing to do is to join the Swisstronik Discord server. You'll find the link in the description. So open the link and join the server. Once you join, verify so you'll be able to chat in the channels. Once you've done that, you can jump into the Swisstronik dashboard to complete the testnet activities. So open the link in the description to visit your Swisstronik dashboard. On the Swisstronik dashboard, you will need to connect your wallet. So click on connect wallet, accept the terms and conditions and click wallet. Click Swisstronik since you've installed your Swisstronik wallet extension, and click sign a message. Accept the signature request in your Swisstronik wallet by clicking on confirm. And now your Swisstronik wallet has been connected to your dashboard. In your dashboard, you will see several tasks and you'll find your Swisstronik score and you'll find your multiplier. The more tasks you complete in the achievement section, the higher your multiplier, which gives you more points for the tasks you complete. So you'll see some technical tags here, which I'll show you in another video to avoid making this video too long. And you'll see other tags here. Then you will see some achievements. So to complete a task, click on the card, follow the instructions, and the ones that require submission, submit what's required to prove, because most of these tags are checked manually. So once you submit these kind of tags that involve manual checks, you may have to wait for about 3 business days for it to be confirmed. So if you submit a task and your point do not reflect immediately, do not panic. So once you complete a task, you will see the completed check mark on the task. For the technical task, make sure you use a fresh wallet which you're not using for anything else other than the technical task. I recommend it should be different from the wallet you use to connect to the Swisstronik Testnet. Remember the transaction hash we copied earlier when claiming the faucet. This is where you submit it to get your 10 activity points. So click on the card, click on the text box and paste the transaction hash you copied and click submit. So now my request has been completed. Click on the X button to close. So do this daily to keep claiming your 10 AP. If you claim the faucet for a week consecutively, you can claim 20 AP on the faucet weekly streak card. So here, this is for your Gitcoin passport, and now there is an easy way to get up to 16 points by connecting your Binance account. You'll find the link in the description, follow it and it will take you to your Gitcoin passport dashboard where you can link your Binance account to increase your Gitcoin score if your score is below 15. So here, this is the task for downloading the Swisstronik app, which I mentioned earlier that it will be useful to claim your points. So here's a task to send tokens. If you click on it, you'll be provided with a Swisstronik address for you to send 0.1 Swisstronik tokens to. To complete the task, open your Swisstronik wallet and click send. Change the amount to 0.1 as described in the task. Paste the recipient address here, then click next. Scroll down and click confirm and send. So now the transaction is complete. So click done. So once you do that, the quest will be completed and you can use the X button to close. This task is for those who have the Web3 Explorer NFTs. So if you don't have that, skip it. And this is for installing the wallet extension. So after installing the wallet extension, open the task, submit the screenshot required, and the quest will be completed. So for each of the tasks, click on the card and you will see the requirements to complete the task. The more tasks you complete, the more points you earn. So that's how to join the Swisstronik Testnet. Check out my other video for the technical tasks. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Swisstronik Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips and tutorials. Don't forget, we are in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up on some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.